What once was hope became a name. Brick by brick we built through nights, turning pressure into light. No fading spark, no compromise. We planted roots and now we rise. Still we rise, higher than before. From open hearts to a worldwide roar. What we began now multiplies, a legacy written across the skies. Still we rise, strong and wise, built on faith that never dies. From here to stay to amplified, we stood our ground, and still we rise. One clear vision, sharpened mind, education redefined. Not just tools but discipline, shaping leaders from within. No shortcuts chasing shallow gain, long-term focus through the strain. Guided, steady, bold and aware, building futures everywhere. Still we rise, higher than before. From open hearts to a worldwide roar. What we began now multiplies, a legacy written across the skies. Still we rise, strong and wise, built on faith that never dies. From here to stay to amplified, we stood our ground, and still we rise. When you become more, you give more too. That's how the strongest leaders move. Ash lit the spark, we carried the flame. Now every diamond bears the name. Still we rise, brighter now. What once was promise is power now. Hearts aligned and future clear. What felt distant now